Hi friends, welcome back in our series of CMD tips and tricks. Today in this video we will know how to change this path of your CMD. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for changing path, type prompt the name that you want to show. I will write turn to code @hacker and $G for greater than sign. Hit enter. Here you can see the path is changed. You can take any name. It's look pretty good. Now we will know how to change the title of command prompt. So for changing a title, we will type title turn to code hacking tutorial. Here you can see the title of CMD is changed. So that's all for this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe your YouTube channel.